guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is MEKNEX, and on this channel I do vlogs, I do hair, I do DIY, I do a little bit of relationship talk, I do a little bit of story times. I just do a little bit of everything I love to do. Alright guys, in today's vlog I'm going to be taking you guys to my village. My mom actually called me to come help her out with something. So when we get there, you see what I'm going to help her out with. So I don't live very far away from my village. It's just, and I'm going to be taking bike. So come with me, please. Let's go on this journey. It promises to be amazing. So you're going to experience raw village life with this fine babe. All right, guys. See you. Hello, good morning. So guys, this is the actual work that brought me here. My mom called me to come help her sieve her gari. So she's actually going to fry gari, and this is the gari here, squeezed and dried. So now I'm just going to help her sieve it while she fries it. So this is cassava grinded and squeezed. So the whole water will be squeezed out of it, and this sieve will be used to separate it, and then my mom will fry it. The first day I helped my mom do this, oh my god, my whole body ached. It ached so much that I couldn't do anything for the next 2 days. But I still have to help her, because that after that day she stopped calling me to come do the job for her. But she doesn't have help, so I have to help her since I'm around. So I'm just trying to rush off and finish this separation for her, so she can fry while I go do other things. So guys, this is like the chaff you're going to get. This is what the chaff you're going to get will look like. It's going to have clumps and lumps, and so you don't need this one. And this is the sieved one. It looks smooth now and it's fresh, ready for the fire.